How to clear a paper jam in the HP DesignJet XL 3800 multifunction printer. The paper jam is encountered before the print zone. When the printer detects a jam, it attempts to automatically resolve the issue. If it cannot, it stops, and the jam must be cleared manually. The control panel opens to the paper jam wizard and shows where the jam has occurred as well as how to clear it. Clear the paper jam by following the screens shown in the wizard. Open the drawer where the paper jam is located. Cut the paper if necessary. Then rewind the paper roll. If needed, trim the leading edge of the paper. Rewind the paper and feed it into the slot. Close the drawer. Note, if there is still an obstruction in the printer, restart the procedure and carefully remove all remaining pieces of paper. If, after completing these steps, the problem persists, continue with the following steps. Open the top drawer. Remove the cleanout by pushing the handles inwards to unlock it and then pull it out. Set the cleanout aside in a safe area. Carefully remove any pieces of paper from the cleanout area. Put the cleanout back in place using care to slide it along the guides. Push the cleanout in until it clicks into place. Close the drawer. The paper has jammed in the scanner area. At the rear left of the scanner, slide the small lever up to open the scanner cover. Remove the paper. Ensure that no pieces of paper are left in the scanner area. Close the scanner cover. The paper jam is caused by a strip in the waste bin output tray. If a piece of paper smaller than about 200 millimeters or 7.9 inches has been cut, paper jams can occur. This can happen before, if it is a new roll, and after a full bleed print, or after the front panel clean cut option has been used. The cut strip will remain in the output tray. When the printer is not printing, reach into the tray and remove the strip. The printer displays that it is out of paper when there is paper loaded. If the roll has become loose at its core, it will not feed correctly and the printer will not load the paper. If possible, tighten the paper at its core, or load a new roll. The paper is cut when the print is complete. By default, the printer cuts the paper after the drying time has completed. The paper jam occurs in the print zone. When a paper jam occurs, you can see a possible paper jam message on the control panel display. The control panel opens to the paper jam wizard and shows where the jam has occurred as well as how to clear it. Clear the paper jam by following the screens shown in the wizard. Open the top cover. Move the printhead carriage out of the way. Carefully remove any jammed paper that you can lift up and out from the top of the printer. Important, use scissors to cut the paper. Do not use a single blade or razor. Caution, do not move the paper side to side, as this could damage the printer. Open the drawer where the paper jam is located. Cut the paper if necessary, then rewind the paper roll. If needed, trim the leading edge of the paper. Rewind the paper and feed it into the slot. Close the drawer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.